6. It's a little different here at night. There's Dr. Schuler right
there. The beautiful Christmas tree in Orange County will be lighting. It's not the biggest, but it's the most beautiful. I want to thank you all for coming, and in just a moment we'll have Rory and Angela and their little grandson coming. There they are behind me, and the little grandson is going to put the lights in the Christmas to see the tree, how dark it is, and while you do, stay looking at it for the lights to come on. I want you all to applaud all the people who so much work.
Evening at the Crystal Cathedral.